क्लैट 2026। अब ज्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स मुझसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि मैम न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना क्यों जरूरी है? हम लोग करंट अफेयर्स तो मैगजीन से भी कवर कर सकते हैं, द मंथली कंपाइलेशंस, तो फिर न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना क्यों जरूरी है? सी, फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, न्यूज़पेपर इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट covering current affairs. It is way beyond that. And let me just talk about it in detail. So, why read the newspaper for CLAT? This is the question which most of the students are unable to answer. They don't even know the importance of newspapers, right? So today we'll be understanding the importance of newspapers first. First thing first, it helps you to build strong reading comprehension, right? It helps you to build strong reading comprehension skills. Why? Newspapers are all about articles, right? So your reading improves if you keep on reading newspapers on a daily basis. Then, stay updated with the current affairs. Of course, current affairs will be covered. Then, improve vocabulary and writing style. Because you will keep on understanding that if this word is being used here, this means this, right? So that is how newspapers will help you improve your vocabulary. Then develop critical thinking through editorials. अब editorial से critical reasoning कैसे solve होगा, critical thinking कैसे develop होगा? Because editorials are nothing but viewpoints. अगर आपको editorial समझ आ रहे हैं तो आपको viewpoints समझ आने शुरू होते हैं. Right? That is how the newspaper help you in critical reasoning as well. Right? Then your daily newspaper is your daily preparation booster. So the students who tell me, "Ma'am, newspaper पढ़ना जरूरी है daily," yes, it is a must that you should do if you are preparing for CLAT. Right? Now, the front page. Let us see how to cover the front page. First thing first, usually headlines of major national or international importance are given on the front page itself. Now, what are the tips here? Skim for high impact news. Not everything in the newspaper has to be read. Why? Because not everything is relevant for you, right? So you have to find relevance in the articles, right? Then ignore local city politics because nothing related to this will be asked in the paper, right? Now, quick scan in 3 to 4 minutes. For example, take the newspaper, just scan through the first page and see if there is anything related to your syllabus or anything of importance which you might see in the paper when it comes to CLAT, right? Now, national news. How to cover the national news? First thing first, you need to focus on new laws, amendments and schemes. Very important, right? Then, Supreme Court or High Court verdicts. Why? Because direct passages from these articles can be seen in the legal reasoning section. Then, develop policies, right? Government policies, right? So, government policies वो होंगी जहाँ पे any new scheme has been brought up by the government, right? Then, major political shifts, right? Gossips पे ध्यान नहीं देना है यहाँ पे, सिर्फ political shifts पे ध्यान देना है, right? Then make short notes by date and topic. For example, let's say a topic is there which is being covered for last 5 days or last 10 days. हर रोज उसके ऊपर कुछ नया तो नहीं आएगा, right? So only the relevant facts should be noted in the notes, right? Now, next thing is international news. So international news क्यों cover करनी है? Because recently, as a trend of CLAT has been seen, it is seen that more of international affairs is being included, right? Now, let's just see how to cover it. So your major goal should be to cover only major global events that impact India, right? कहीं पे भी इंडिया को impact करते हुए कोई news है, that is of importance for you, right? Now, India's foreign relations very important for you guys. Secondly, international summits, for example, UN, G20, BRICS से related कोई भी summit है, you should know about it. Then wars और conflicts के बारे में, because we have been seeing कि बहुत सारी wars चल रही है, बहुत सारे issues are coming up, so you should be aware of those issues and have diplomatic relevance as well, right? Then major actions by world superpowers, again important for you guys, because major actions by superpowers are some of the topics which attract a lot of criticism, a lot of viewpoints, right? So from here you can expect any right? Or even in critical reasoning in that case, right? Now, editorials and opens, right? So here what to do, right? So this is what you need to understand here. What are editorials for? Editorials are just viewpoints, right? And why editorials are important? So that you understand the viewpoints, right? So editorials can be a source of RCs as well as critical reasoning, right? Now, talking about editorials, now what should be your focus here? You have to read very slowly plus actively. What do I mean by actively? Whatever you are reading should be understood by you there and then itself, right? Now, underline the key arguments and transition words. First thing first, this is what has to be done. Secondly, highlight difficult words, right? Look them up immediately. If you find that there is something difficult in the paper or in the article, just look up for that word, right? Don't wait for days to pass. This will help you improve your vocabulary. Try to break the article into issues, backgrounds, arguments and conclusions, because this is how this will help you in critical reasoning, right? Summarize in 3 bullet points. What's the issue and why it matters? Because this is how your paraphrasing, which will strengthen your understanding of the article, will improve, right? Build reading speed, comprehension, opinion building and vocabulary all in one through newspaper. Now you've understood how newspapers can help you beyond covering your current affairs. This is how it helps you, right? Now moving ahead to legal developments. Now how to cover legal reasoning? See, your focus should be on recent Supreme Court and High Court judgments because they are usually there in the limelight. Also, there are high chances that such articles can be put in the legal reasoning section, RC or critical reasoning in that case. Constitutional cases, PILs and legal reforms, bills and acts which have been passed, amended or are yet to be passed, right? Then, what is the case about? Which article or law is involved in it? What was the ruling and its impact, right? These are a few things which you should understand after reading the article. Then, maintain a case bank. Short notes with case name, issues, verdict and legal arguments. This is what is expected of you, right? These things should be there while you are writing down the notes, right? Your case name, your issue, your verdict and legal argument, right? Now, moving ahead to sports section. See, usually sports is something that CLAT consortium doesn't, really focus on. But questions can be seen from here as well, so why not just cover it? So what should be the focus? It should be major tournaments, right? Like Olympics, World Cup, Asian Games, etc. Right? India's milestones. For example, any new record that has been set up, right? Any medals, any bands, or anything wherein India has stood first, या फिर जहाँ पे इंडिया का कोई फर्स्ट रैंक आया है, पहली बार कोई चीज की है, कोई भी अवार्ड्स है जैसे खेल रत्न, अर्जुना अवार्ड, द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड, एक्सेट्रा, एनी न्यू अपॉइंटमेंट्स, राइट? ये सारी चीजें आपको कवर करनी होती है. एंड प्राइमरली स्पोर्ट्स में आपके जो क्वेश्चन आएंगे वो यूजुअली जनरल नॉलेज बेस्ड होंगे, तो आपका जो जीके वाला सेक्शन है दैट विल बी कवर्ड, राइट? Now, what are the mistakes that we usually make while reading the newspaper? हम क्या गलती करते हैं जब हम न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे होते हैं? First thing first, हम उसको ना नॉवल की तरह पढ़ते हैं, पढ़े जा रहे हैं, ये नहीं समझ रहे उसमें लिखा क्या हुआ है. We are not reading in between the lines. So in between the lines is what I mean by saying when I say that you have to read actively, right? So now, getting lost in politics. Usually क्या होता है कि जब भी हम लोग कोई भी ऐसी न्यूज़ पढ़ते हैं which is sensitive to us, we get into politics, we try to understand the policies behind it and the thinking behind it. वो करने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको, just go through it once, right? Not maintaining notes. आप पढ़ क्यों रहे हो newspaper? So that आपको कुछ knowledge मिले. Knowledge आज आपको मिली, आपने revise नहीं करी, so आपको कुछ नहीं याद रहने वाला है, right? So what you need to do is you need to make short, crisp notes out of the newspaper articles. Now, ignoring it for weeks, then binge reading. बिल्कुल don't do it, right? I have seen students जो पूरा साल नहीं पढ़ते, एंड के 2 महीने में they're just left with a big bag of newspapers and उसी से ही पढ़ रहे हैं. Don't do that to yourself, because apparently पढ़ने के बाद आपको revision का भी time चाहिए, right? End में जो time बचता है that is just for revision, right? So make sure that you don't ignore the newspaper for weeks. Don't do this. This will be a big mistake for you, right? In the end, how can we help you out is, see, we will suggest you don't need to remember everything. Okay? See, newspaper से थोड़ी बहुत अगर आपने relevance समझ ली of the article, you'll be able to answer there in the paper. Why? Because options होते हैं आपके पास, right? So you need to remember what matters. Again, relevance of the articles should be there. You should know what to read and what not to read in the newspaper. Then prioritize, strategize, and stay consistent. Most of the students do this and do this, but they do not stay consistent when it comes to reading newspapers. So your consistency is required here. Then start your 1 hour daily reading ritual from today. If you're not able to give 1 hour, please start with 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and gradually keep on increasing the time that you are putting in to read the newspaper. Right? This is how your reading will improve. आपकी टाइम मैनेजमेंट बेटर होगी, ऑल्सो आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत बेटर हो जाएगी, अपार्ट फ्रॉम इम्प्रूविंग योर वोकैबुलरी और कवरिंग करंट अफेयर्स. राइट? दिस शुड बी द गोल दैट यू शुड हैव क्लियरली इन योर माइंड व्हाइल यू आर रीडिंग अ न्यूज़पेपर. राइट? सो विद दिस आई विल लीव हियर. Right? If you have any doubts, please write down in the comment section below. Right? I'll be glad to help you out, and I'll definitely help you out. Thank you.